Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to install Process Lasso for Fortnite.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To install Process Lasso for Fortnite, follow these steps. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Process Lasso from the search results. Select Process Lasso by Bitsum, click on the download button, and proceed to initiate the download process by clicking on the download icon. Once the file has been downloaded, open the downloaded file. Next, launch Epic Games and restart Fortnite on your PC. Return to Process Lasso and locate Fortnite client Win64 by scrolling through the list. Right-click on it and navigate to CPU priority, selecting Always, followed by Highest Priority. Ensure that the Windows Dynamic Thread is enabled. Then, access CPU Affinity and choose Always, ensuring that all CPU cores are checked. Proceed to Power Profile and go for Ultimate Performance, excluding it from Balance. Next, navigate to More and disable Idle Server. Finally, under More, choose Hard Throttle and ensure that No Throttle is enabled. After configuring Process Lasso, close Fortnite and ensure that Process Lasso remains open. And that's how you install Process Lasso for Fortnite.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.